Generatepress theme homepage customization is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome and enter your WordPress website name in the designated field. After that, input your username and password. Then, click on the login button. You will notice a variety of buttons on the left side of the page, including Dashboard, Home, Site Key, Post, Media, Pages, Comment, Plugins, Appearance, Tools, and many more. Next, click on the Plugin button and then select Add New. Once this is done, search for the Generate Block plugin in the search bar. Find the plugin and click on the Install Now button. After the installation of the Generate Block plugin is complete, activate it. Now, click on the Appearance button, followed by the Customize button. From here, you can make adjustments to the website's fonts and colors. Click on the Colors and Fonts button. If you wish to modify the background color, select a color and then click the Publish button. You also have the option to customize the header, footer, and journal settings. Furthermore, you can add menus, badges, and perform various other tasks. Additionally, you can create home and block pages. Similarly, you can modify the design and incorporate different features on the home page. After completing these steps, your home page will be fully customized. And it's done. This is how you can generate Press theme home page customization.